Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying this festive season. So it's been a long time and after so many days I am posting a tutorial. Basically today we're gonna create a Christmas painting with acrylics. Okay, let's start the painting. So in the first step we will paint the background of the painting. And for that, here I am taking rose pink, violet and white color. We need a large flat brush to paint the background. Here I am trying to create an abstract background. And to create an abstract background, you only need to apply paint randomly like I am doing here. And yes, in case if you are new here and new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. And here I am adding some fluorescent yellow to make the background more bright. You can add colors according to your choice. Here I am adding some aqua green also. We only need to add some random streaks like this. And yes, I also wanted to add some golden touch. That's why here I am applying golden dust mixed with water. You can also take any golden acrylic paint. Now in the second step, make a candle stand. We can always trace first without directly making on the canvas like I am doing here. Now when it is done, start painting the candle stand with black paint first. And when your base layer is dried completely, add some grey tone like this. Now add the white highlights with a round brush. In the third step, we will make some candles on the candle stand. And for that, here I am taking my white acrylic paint and painting the candles with the help of a flat brush. Now to paint the flame, here I am taking white acrylic paint first. After that, here I am adding fluorescent yellow. You can also add lemon yellow. And when it is done, add some cadmium yellow and white into the flame like this. Here I am adding grey tone to the candles to make them more realistic. After that, make the wicks with the help of a detailing brush. Now in the next step, here I am trying to make some crystals hanging on the stand, and for that here I am taking an earbud and creating the chain like this. So to paint the crystals, first of all I am painting the base with the grey shade, and make sure your base shade should be light grey. And after that, add some dark grey to the sides like this. You can see here I am adding the paint on one side of the crystal. Now to give it a realistic look, here I am adding white highlights also. And when it is done, start making the chain loops like this. Here I am using fine detailing brush to make these little loops. Now in the next step, take sap green acrylic paint and start adding some leaves. Here I am adding some holy leaves to the stand and adding some yellow highlights to the leaves like this. After that, when you are done with this, start adding some berries, and for that here I am making some branches with the help of my brown acrylic paint. Now to paint the berries, here I am applying some crimson red as the base layer. And when it is done, add this light shade to the berries. After that, add some white highlights like this. We can also add some dark shadows with the help of brown plus black. And when it is done, final part of this painting is here, and for that we need to add some pine cones. So to paint the pine cones, here I am making a base layer with the help of dark brown color. And now here I am making a rough structure with the help of a detailing brush. And after that, here I am applying lightest shade of brown and white with the help of a flat brush like this. You can see here how I am applying these little strokes to the petals of the pine cones. Here I am adding another lightest shade. And now in the end, here I am adding more leaves to the painting. Here I am adding some final details to the painting with some yellow highlights, and it's done. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please do hit the like button, and wish you all a very happy new year. May your lives be filled with love and happiness, and your year be full of positive energy and good vibes. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I'll be back very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.